Hey guys, I hope you are doing fine. So let's see that how do you pronounce the name of days in English. Do you pronounce like this? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Of course, there is nothing wrong to pronounce like this, but if you want to improve your accent, if you want to improve your English in a better way, then you have to pronounce like in a better accent, better way. So what is the better way, better accent? Yeah, just hang on. I'm going to tell you that. Is it a Sunday? Yeah, of course, it's a Sunday. Monday, there is nothing wrong. Tuesday? No, it's not a Tuesday, it's a Tuesday. Don't worry, I'm going to show you on the screen, okay? It's a Tuesday, not a Tuesday. So, Wednesday? Not a Wednesday, it's a Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay, so it's a Thursday? Not a Thursday, it's a Thursday. Thursday. Okay, so one thing I also want to clear here, then whenever you got the words, two words with each other, like it's a th, you have to pronounce like this. You have to blow some air into your mouth and to roll your tongue into your mouth like this. Thursday. Thank you. Think. Okay, so anyway, just go ahead. Okay, so Friday. Yeah, of course, there's nothing wrong. We can say it's a Friday. So Saturday, not at all, nobody, not a Saturday, it's a Saturday. Saturday. I hope you are finding the difference between your accent and this one accent which I'm using right now. Okay, so I'm going to pronounce it. Okay, again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I hope you will like this video, and if you want to improve your accent, then you have to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you can get notification of every new coming video. Okay, have a good day, take care, bye bye, and see you in next video. And one thing is that if you want to know that how to pronounce the name of month name in English in a better way, in a better accent, then you just need to tell me in the comment box. Then I'll make a video just for you. Okay, just for you. Okay, bye bye.